What's going on YouTube? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-taper on my boy Kendall. We're going to start by debulking the sides with the 1.5 guard open. We're going to be switching to our 2 guard open. We're going to be using our hair pick to pick out the sides, just so I could get a better view of what I need to cut. Using our clipper over comb method, we're going to make sure he has a perfect box shape. As you can see here, we're going with the grain, just so I can lay down the hair a little bit better. We're going to be using the FadeitLuie FX gold trimmers to be setting our first guideline. With our gamma clippers, we're going to be using our no guard all the way open. To create our third guideline, we're going to be using our 1 guard all the way open. Switching to our half guard, we're going to be removing the third guideline we made with our 1 guard open. Right here we're doing a little bit of a shape up with our no guard all the way closed. We're going to be picking out the sides just to get the true length of the hair and cut what needs to be cut. Moving on to the back side, we're going to be creating our first guideline with the FadeitLuie FX gold trimmers. Using our no guard open, we're going to be creating an inch guideline. Using our 1 guard open, we're going to be creating our third guideline. Now we're switching to our half guard to remove the third guideline we created with our one guard open. Using a pick, we're gonna be picking out the hair just so I can get a better view of what I need to cut, and then also switching to our 1.5 guard. We're switching to the clipper over comb method just to remove some bulk I see on the sides. Now that we're moving on to the edge up around the ear, we want to make sure we're taking our time and being very detailed. Before we line him up, we want to make sure we comb all the hairs down that we need to cut. see a little bit of bulk, so I went with the grain. Now we're moving on to the Babyliss FX trimmers, and we're going to be lining up his C cup. We're going to apply a little bit of shave gel. Elegance is what I use. And we're going to use the razor, a Turkish razor, to make sure this is as crispy as possible.